Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So let's discuss today the most important FAQs on Australian PR. What is the most important documents for Australia PR?
Skill assessment, because without a positive skill assessment, your application for PR cannot proceed no matter how strong your profile is.
Alright. Can I file an Australian PR without an experience letter?
Risky, but in case if your employer refuses to give the experience letter, you can use alternative evidence like payslips, bank salary credit, tax documents, supervisor's affidavit.
Okay.
Such documents can support your application.
Is offer letter enough to prove work experience?
No, offer letter only provides the employment start. It must be supported by experience letters,
Okay.
pay slips, and of course, roles description aligned with NZCO code.
Alright. Can I submit my Australian PR application without giving IELTS and PT examination?
Not at all. IELTS or PT is mandatory, especially for Indian applicants.
Okay.
There might be few skill assessment authorities which does not require the English test score, but during the visa application or before filing your EOI, IELTS or PT is mandatory. Remember, IELTS or PT does not only affect the eligibility, it also impacts the points. So it is a mandate.
Can I combine two English test score?
In most of the cases, no. But yes, in case of Engineers Australia, you can.
Are provisional degree certificate accepted?
Yes, but temporarily,
Okay.
because final degree is required before the visa grant.
Okay. Do payslip needs to match with the bank statement?
Absolutely. Mismatch might trigger further scrutiny or confusion.
Is Form 16 or tax return mandatory?
Not mandatory, but strongly recommended if your experience is from India.
Okay.
Tax proof adds credibility to your employment history.
Alright. When should PCC need to be applied?
After invitation or close to invitation?
Can I claim partner points without submitting marriage certificate?
Yes, but only for de facto partners, and that too should be supported with joint lease agreement, joint bank statement, utility bills, relationship statements.
Do documents need to be notarized?
Only if requested. Over notarization does not improve or add any value addition to the application.
Okay. Can I change my occupation after skill assessment?
No. A new occupation is equal to new skill assessment. Hence, it is very important to select the right occupation in the first phase itself.
Are scanned documents are accepted?
Yes, clear scanned documents are accepted.
Okay.
Blurred or edited documents can cause refusal.
Okay. Can I apply for Australia PR while working?
Yes, that's what most applicants do.
Okay. What is the biggest documentation mistake an applicant can make?
Filing without correct NZCO mapping, evidence gap analysis, a proper strategy plan. PR is not a form filling, it's a case building.
Why to choose Hodofiles Explore visas?
Documents audit before filing. Alternative documentation planning. No fake experience advice, only clear PR pathway guidance.